so great to be here. I just can't believe it. Tonight is sold out, and it's my very, very first time in Turkey ever, and my very first time in Istanbul, obviously. So, amazing to have you all here tonight on my very first gig here. Yeah. And we've been here for a day now, and we'll stay one more day. And I gotta say, this is such a beautiful city, and I feel so blessed to be here. So thank you for buying tickets. So I hope I will come back next time. Enjoy your evening.